Good morning, friends. In the community health nursing, one more important topic, referral system. It is very interesting topics, and it is this referral system is very important to understand by the health personnels or by the nursing personnels how a patient is going to transfer from one unit to other unit, one institution to other institutions, one system to other systems, what type of the formalities you need to complete, and when and how this system is going to process. So for that referral system, we can understand that when the person, when an individual is suffering with any problems, that time he need the quality care. But sometimes these quality care are not available at the centers. So for that system, for the improvement of the care of the patient, we transfer the patient to other institutions. It means if a person who are suffering in the community sector, in any slum area or any urban area, there is no facility for the medications or for any others, then we will transfer it to sub-center. If the sub-center also not give the proper treatment to that patient, and if the patient is serious and all the equipments and all the medications are not available that sub-center level, then the health in charge will transfer that patient to the primary health centers, and primary health centers also upgraded. So that is called the referral system, means transfer the patient from one institution to other institution, one medical system to other medical system for the grading health care. So for that, first of all, we can understand the definition of the referral systems. So many candidates, there are so many health related responsible persons given that definitions. That is this is a system which a patient is referred from the one health centers with fewer amenities to the other health institutions where has more resources, more facilities and amenities, is called the referral system. Like this, if we can see the other definition, referral systems, so it involves we are sending a patient to another physicians for a going management for a specific problem, with the expectation the patient will continue to see the original physician or coordination of the total care. That is also called the referral system. This referral system is more important for the patient as well as to the healthcare personnels. What is the importance of that referral systems? First of all, providing the diagnostic service to the patient and communities in the better way. And second one, providing the specialist service to the patient or to the client. Next one, propagating the purpose of referral system among health workers. Next, teaching the nursing personnel for reviewing to patient sent from referral. Another one we will see that preventing further complications and providing appropriate treatment. This referral system, the referral process is most important, and sending or transporting the patient comfortably to the referral institute. These four all are very important, and they are totally depend on this referral systems. If the patient need a quality care, a patient need a transport, a patient need a good medications, a patient is need a surgery, then how he will get in the community sectors? If we are not transferring the patient from community to the other health conditions, then it is not possible to give the quality care of a patient. So for that, the different types of the category, the different types of the sections we given for this referral systems, these are available in all health sectors according to the condition of the patient. So the first group, or a fatal patient, it means the patient is going to last stage and he can't survive despite the best treatment made available to them. So to send them to treat and take the better opportunity or better appropriate treatment from the institution, so we will transfer that patient to higher institutions. It is essential for all the relatives of the patient, they can understand the owing to his fatal condition, it will not be beneficial to send the patient for referral. Second group of serious patient, second group come under that serious patient. In this condition, such patient is considered serious, but immediate treatment can save his life. So before sending those referral, attempt should be made to reduce the seriousness of conditions, and only after that they should be sent to referral. Third group, patient is admitted in the hospital, but it is a general patient. He is stable. The disease is serious, such patient, but condition of the patient is still to found to be normal, then we will provide the referral. This is the third group of the patient. Any delayed treatment is not threatened his life, such patients are immediately sent to the for referral. So this type of, on the basis of these conditions, patient conditions, the type of the disease, the objective of the treatment, or the need of the diagnosis, the case of the patient can be prepared for the referral systems. So these are very important categories we divided. If we will see the level of the referral system, so according to that level, we can see first of all community health ward. Means in the community sectors, a patient getting the problems, then it referred to the sub-center. After sub-center, it referred to the PSC. After PSC, CSC, community health centers. After community health centers, upgrading the district hospitals. After district hospitals, a patient need to transfer to teaching hospitals. Teaching hospitals, it means upgrading the super specialist hospitals. That is the level of the transfer. That is divided into the primary level, secondary level, and tertiary level. In the primary level, the village level, sub-center level, primary health centers. Secondary level, community health centers. And the third one is the community health centers and district hospital, or tertiary level district hospital to teaching hospital or specialty hospitals. That is the primary, secondary, and tertiary level of the referral system, institutions. These referral systems, this level, 3 are primary health clinics. They are providing the minor treatments, offering the surface like the immunization, family planning, antenatal care, treatment of the common diseases, treatment management of the tuberculosis, HIV, counseling, amongst all other services. In the community health service, we are giving the services provision of the healthcare. All the hospitals are normally receive the referral from providing the journalist support community health centers. In this, counseling and rehabilitation service are or treating or diagnostic facilities are available, and most of them clinical service include the surgery, obstetric care, gynecological care, and outpatient medicines, pediatric, mental health, geriatric consultancy, and clinical forensic medical services. All these facilities are available in the district hospital also. And in the second level come regional hospitals. This is the second level of the care. The regional hospital normally receive the referral from providing the specialty support to the number of the district hospitals. And third one is the tertiary hospitals. These tertiary hospitals come under that the specialist hospitals, specialized hospitals. Like this specialized hospital means neurosurgery hospitals, neurological, plastic surgery, reconstructive surgeries, cardiological surgery, urological surgeries, pediatric surgeries, maxillofacial surgery. All these are come under that. And last four level is the center hospitals. These are the highest level of the healthcare providing by that hospitals. This is the specialized referral units and multi-specialty clinic service innovations, and people refer these hospitals by the provincial tertiary hospitals. These specialized hospitals are particularly in single disease hospitals, treating hospitals, जैसे TB hospitals, psychiatric hospitals. These are the spinal injury and acute infectious disease hospitals. These are the specialized hospitals. Why we need urgent referral? Why the patient need the urgent referral? If some of the problems, major problems, they are harm the life of patient. That's why for the prevention, for the better health, for the improvement of the health, we need to referral system. These are most important problems are hyperpyrexia, 4 to 5 days continue. Treatment is going on and nothing is changes in the body, then need the referral. Severe pain of any part of the body, continuous more than 3 days, then need the referral systems. If stiff necks, still jaw, arched back, any types of problems, convulsions also need that these referral system. And hematemesis, hematopsis, a pain abdomen, frequent vomiting and absence of vowel sound, black colored stools, complicated deliveries. Coma patients also need, severe diarrheal patient, severe dehydration patient, severe cyanosis, retention of urine for more than 18 hours, and chest pain, heart pain, and all the fatal or life-threatening conditions need the referral systems. So all these conditions made for prevention of a patient health, improve the patient health and survive his life. All the medical personnel or nursing personnel trying to give the better care of a patient. What is the responsibility of a nurse in the referral systems? So nurse, a responsible person, a responsible nursing personnel in the community sectors, in the clinics or in the hospitals or in the centers. So she or he want to know very well what is the rules and regulations followed at the time of the referral systems. The personnel who are working in the CSC or PSC district hospitals should have the knowledge regarding the referral systems. If any case of the emergency, attempt should be made in save of the life of the patient, then only he should be sent for referral. So nurse should be aware of their limitations, responsibilities in their referral systems. Entire this referral system or ticket should be clear. Yeah, correct related records should also closed with it while sending serious patient. Means all these things come under that one file. So all the assessments, all the medications, all the previous histories sent with the patient to other clinics when the patient is going to transfer. So all these things come under that responsibility of a nurse. So a major part of a nurse to send all the information to the other clinics when the patient is going to transfer. So main important aim of this referral system to save the life of a patient who are suffering any type of the problems, any serious conditions, because the one center not have all these facilities. So for that facility we are transferring the patient to other institutions. So it is very important and it is very responsible functions for a nurse. Kindly read it and understand.